In this video, I'll show you how to add a font on Windows 11. First, make sure you've downloaded the font that you want to install. It will come as a zip file. Most fonts will be a TTF or OTF file. If it's in a zip file, right-click, extract all, choose where you want it to go, open the extracted folder. There should be a font file, which is normally the name of it, in a TrueType font file. Quickest way to install it is right-click, install. If you want the font to be available for every user on the computer, you can choose Install for all users instead. You might need administrator permission for this option. Another way to install it is through Windows Settings. Go to the Start menu, type in Fonts, and you can just drag and drop the folder in there. I'm using a VM, so mine's not activated. If yours is registered, it will go straight in there. Once the font's installed, open the app you want to use it in, such as Word, Photoshop, Canva, and it should appear. If it doesn't, close and reopen the app. And that's it. You've now added a font on Windows 11. Hope that helps.